Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on this A-line dress with this material is 1.5 yards. Please, you can subscribe, like, share, keep watching. Let's get started now. So I'll go ahead now to fold my fabric this way, and I'm folding it in 4 pieces. The front and the back piece is what I'm folding all together. So that is it. So this is what I fold out so that we'll start with our measurements. We'll start my measurement for the upper side now. So before then, let me have a straight line to roll it out. So after that now, I will take my length. My length that I'm having here is 4.5. So 34.5, this I'm going to take it round, taking my tape like this and continue to mark it. So that's my 34.5 inches that I'm marking there. So we have gotten our cut at the downside because it's a line that will be like flare. So coming to the upper side, then I will take my neck, mark my neck 3 inches. So that is for my neck. To bring it down for the neckline, I'm bringing it by 3 inches also, and it's round neck. I bring it like this, and my shoulder that I'm having here is 6 inches. So to bring it down also, I will bring it by 7 inches. So I will also mark my 6 inches to have a straight line, and then I will roll it like this. So after that, so on this line, that's where I will get my chest line also. So my chest line that I'm marking here is 7.5. So now is our bust measurement. Our bust is 34 inches. 34 inches. So you divide it by 4, that will give you 8.5. Yeah, and mark added 1 inch for the sewing allowance. So for my half length is 15 inches. So that's my half length, 15 inches. Let me roll it. So that is it. So then that's where we'll get our waist measurement. My waist is 28 inches, adding 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. So then I will mark 2 inches on this my chest line to get my curve for my armhole. So I will place it like this and curve it. So we've gotten our armhole and this curve. So from there, that is my bust now to the waistline. I will connect it like this. So then I will now flare my A line, because it's A line that we are making. So we just take it out like this to the end. So that is it. So as for the neckline for the back, I'm bringing it down by 1.5. So that's my 1.5. Remember the neck is 3 inches for the downside. So then we are done with our measurement. It's for us now to cut. I'll be using my roller to slope it down like this. So that is it. So what we will do now is to cut it out. Remember, we are cutting the back and the front together. That's why we folded it in 4 pieces. So now I will go ahead now to cut. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. So I will continue like this to cut it out. So after cutting it out, the next step now is to take it to the machine and go and stitch it. So this is what I'm doing here now. So this is what I'm doing, so that by the time we finish cutting, we go and stitch it. That is taking it to the machine. So you can see how it is now. You can see how it is. So let me pull out the back side of it now to cut the front neck. So I'm folding it well for us to cut. So the neck line is what we want to cut at the front neck line. So this is what I'm doing here now. So I've cut it. So I'm going to join my body parts now. So I'll go ahead now to measure the bust. So my bust, this is my bust, 36 inches. So what we have here is 2 inches. So you just add 1 inch this side, 1 inch the other side. So this is our waistline here, our waistline. So we'll mark our waist. So this is the waist. So our waist is 30. So now we'll mark what remains there is 3. That means 1.5 here. So we'll just connect it from the bust to the waist, from the bust to the waist. So I'll connect it from the bust to the waist like this. I know it's a line that we are making, so this I will flare out. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So let me bring it down again so that you can see. So this side will be flaring out. So come to the other side, we connect from the bust to the waist, and also flare this side out. So we've done that now. So the next step now, to go and stitch the front and the back together now, and before you know, our dress will be ready. Our A-line dress will be ready. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end. So let me take to the machine now to go and stitch. Thank you everyone for watching to the end. This is the final look of our A-line dress. Please subscribe, comment, say something, and I will see you guys in my next video.